Oh, it's time. Time to make a malt liquor video. In a fucking blizzard. The blizzard of 2017. Hashtag Stella. Core 45 did not double the malt. Bird just flew by. Cap in pocket. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Malt liquor. $7 a.m. starting bright and early on this fantastic day. 10 inches of snow already down, and it's 7 a.m. 'Damn near whiteout conditions. It's supposed to be fucking snowing all fucking day. Stay tuned for at least 3 malt liquor videos from the #1 provider of malt liquor entertainment on the internet. Wolf of fucking Wall Street. $27 degrees out. Fucking blizzard. Perfect ski mask weather to drink delicious ice cold malt liquor. Just recently viewed Gumby Man 02's new malt liquor video. He was drinking a Colt 45, 32 ounce, and couldn't even open up the fucking bottle. Gumby, you were turning it the wrong way. Wrong way, Gumby. This way, not this way. Good God, Gumby. Follow the blueprint. Malt liquor, holy malt liquor. Malt liquor. Approaching the swill. Fuck you, dwarf. You fucking cunt. .45 malt liquor. Absolutely refreshing and fucking delicious. Left absolutely none of your fucking phone to it. Fuck you to it.